Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will be making another video of Halloween. Let's start by making ghost first. Let's start by choosing the brush. I will be choosing inking brush, the syrup. Now let's start drawing. I will be making outline, then I will make eyes and scary face. Now we will fill it up with white color. Now we will add some definition to it. Let me choose a color little darker than white. Now let's start giving it definition. Okay, let me move this layer back so that we can erase the eyes. Okay. Then now bring it back to front. Now let's give the flowy effect. Okay, I think it's almost done. Let's now work on its eyes so it will look bigger. And our ghost is almost ready. Let me know what you think about this ghost in the comments below. Now just select the ghost, all the layers, and move it to the corner of the canvas, and now we will hide it because we need space our canvas for the letters. Now let's start drawing letters. Let's add a text first. I will be adding S. Alright, now let's make this S bigger and change its font. I want my font to be sans serif, so let's see which one looks pretty. Okay, let's go with Futura. Alright, let's start drawing. Let's make another layer so that we can start drawing on the letter S. So I will be making Halloween style dripping letters. Okay, I'm done. Let's see how it looks. I will reduce the opacity of the letter by clicking on N and then reducing the opacity to around 35%. Now we will do the same process with other letters as well. I don't like this font. Let's change it to little condensed one. I think this can work. Okay, we will draw on this one. Okay. This is also done. Now in place of A, we will put our ghost. Let's select all the layers with the ghost. And now let's transform it. Alright. This looks right. Okay. Now let's make R and Y. Okay, I need to make more space on the canvas. Let's select all the layers and now transform, then move it to left side. Okay, now we have space for Y. Okay, let's fill our letters first. Oops, I think there may be some space left. Let's fill those up. Okay, now our letters are done. Let's give them an orange color. Just to the letters, not to the ghost. Alright, there is some white dots. Let me see on which layer. Okay, now. Alright. We found it. Now let's erase them. Okay, perfect. Let's group all the layers now, and we have created one new layer so that we can add something to the background. I'm thinking of adding web to the background. Let's start with the layer and let's start drawing the web with the white color. Let's choose the color. Alright, we are done with the web, and we will reduce the opacity of the web so that our letters can pop out. Now let's shift the letters and it's done. Let me know what you think about this Halloween drawing in the comment sections below, and if you like the video, make sure you like and share and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.